This tutorial will help you join pairs and series of words, phrases, and clauses correctly. After typing your composition into Word or opening an existing document, click on the Writer's Workbench Analysis Programs button on the toolbar. To examine your use of pairs and series in your composition, click on the Punctuation, Pairs and Series Analysis button and click OK. When the analysis appears, click on the More Info button. As always, read the introductory text. That text identifies the 4 words that are always conjunctions: and, or, nor, and but. You are also encouraged to run the clarity parallelism analysis before working with this analysis. The words, phrases, or dependent clauses must always be parallel. If there are 2 of these units, they are joined only with a coordinate conjunction. If there are 3 or more of these units, all but the last 2 are connected with just a comma, and the last 2 are connected with a comma and a coordinate conjunction. 2 important notes explain that, in journalism, the comma is not used with the coordinate conjunction, and that, if 2 or more sentences are joined, they are joined with a comma and a coordinate conjunction or with a semicolon. More information lists a sentence punctuated incorrectly except in journalism, and then punctuated correctly except in journalism. An additional sentence made up of 3 sentences is first punctuated incorrectly and then punctuated correctly in 3 different ways. You are then told that Writer's Workbench found 7 conjunctions. In the first sentence, the series assurance, faith, and trusting, although not parallel, is punctuated properly. In the second sentence, the series quotas, bonuses, or demotions is correctly punctuated with a comma between the first 2 words and a comma and the coordinate conjunction or between the last 2 words. No revision is needed. In the next sentence, the first 2 elements are separated by a comma, but the third element, to help when plans go awry, is separated from the second element by only the word and. You highlight Project Goes Well and click Word Search. And you insert a comma before the conjunction and. You return to the analysis and see that the next 3 prepositional phrases are joined correctly: of flattery, of gossip, comma and coordinate junction, or of stolen ideas. In the next sentence, the infinitive elements are correctly punctuated: a comma between the first 2 and a comma and a coordinate conjunction or between the last 2. However, the last 2 that clauses, a pair, not a series, is incorrectly joined with a comma and a conjunction. You highlight Serve Students, click Word Search, and delete the comma after the word students and return to your analysis. The last sentence needs a comma with the conjunction before the last prepositional phrase, the third element in a series of prepositional phrases, of promises not kept, of dangling carrots, and of dishonest attention. You highlight Dangled Carrots, click on Word Search, and add a comma after the word carrots. When you return to your analysis, you see that you have completed your revisions and you close your analysis.